For week 9, we're going to be talking about AI coding assistants. Right here we have Windsurf, one of the AI coding assistants that was given to us. And we're going to check it out. When being shown about Windsurf, we had a demo of Snake, which when I tried it, it didn't work. So we're going to try doing a different thing. We're going to be doing the game of textures. So right here is Windsurf program. You see open folder, connect to, open Cascade, open with command palette. But then the main part is right here, which is right with Cascade. Kick off a new project to make changes across your entire code base. So it says ask anything. So I'm gonna ask, can you make the game textures on HTTP? So we're gonna see what it does. I'll be skipping out parts when it loads up the thing, so you'll basically see me time skipping every time. So we'll see what happens. I have to accept here. Basically accept everything it tells us. Alright, see here it's loading. It's basically what I'll skip. Alright, we're back. We didn't even have to skip actually. See here, it gave us the whole thing, the JavaScript file of the index. You can see it made the doc type, HTML, basically the whole HTTP thing right here for the website. Now it's going to create probably the game part in JavaScript. So hopefully we get to see that too. Or for right now, I believe when I was trying it, 8.8 gets it right most of the time, but it's not 100%. As you have to keep giving it more commands saying, oh, it's not doing this, you have to redo it, which we'll probably see during this. And we're going to be upgrading the textures game to make it a full-fledged textures game. Maybe even change the background, maybe give it some more visual clutter, as some people would say. But we'll come back when this is done downloading. Back. As you can see here, it made the textures file. It's giving the shapes of IOTLJSZ. And I'm a big fan of textures. That's why I didn't want to do Snake. Oh, it's also telling us to install the Python extension. So let's do that real quick. It even tells you to install extensions also, which is pretty good. Okay. Oh, let's see, we have the server here. It looks like it's asking us to run the command already. So let's just boot it up and check what happens. Trust everything it says because it's a robot. We believe in robots. All right, so let's open a preview. Or we could do the game on a local HTTP, which we're gonna do. So I'm open a new tab. Gonna do this. I tried this. Is probably easier than clicking the preview. Usually doesn't work, so let's check it out. Loading. All right, hold on. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay, we're going to click the preview, and we have nothing. Let me click open external browser. Also nothing. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. Let's check it out again. Now we're gonna ask. It is not opening the HTTP part. Can you see what's wrong? Regenerating. Server signing. All right, now it's redoing the server again. Yo, I'm gonna wait till it finishes generating so we can pop it open. Okay, Blackboard, blah blah blah. All right, open preview. File not found. Okay, that's not good. Let's open external power. All right, and here we go. It works. So we see. Oh, but why is it changing shapes? It's not supposed to be doing that. But when we move left to right, works. Move down, it goes down. Oh, it changes colors too. I usually how not all the colors supposed to change, but oh, like what even is the shape? I've never seen that before. Alright. So now, as you see, this is the texture. See, it gives us the texture website, gets the score, controls. You also press space. That also works too. And it resets it if you lose. Okay. Now let's fix it up. Can you make the blocks like the original textures game and also make it so that the blocks are different colors. Okay, so let's see what that does. Let's see if we modify the things because we saw it was not working. Let's see what happens now. You see, it makes mistakes. The AI is still not 100%. We had to fix it twice already. Let's see if the third time's the charm. Open the game again. Open external browser. Okay, they made it even 3D blocks now. That's good. Okay. Oh, but what's some of the rotate problem? So let's see if we fix that. Okay, everything's still changed color. Okay, let's fix that again. I want the shapes to only rotate when I press the up arrow and not change the shape form. Also, when placing down the shape, it should stay the same color while the next shape changes. Let's see if we can understand that. Let's open it again. Okay. We still have the same problem. But when we place it down, we still have a different color. Okay, so it fixed that problem, which is good. This is not rotating either. It's just changing the thing. Okay. So we can fix that problem too. When I rotate the shapes, some of them don't rotate. Also, some of them change forms. Can you fix that so that it acts like the regular Tetris game? And also, I would like it to save a piece when I press C, and then be able to replace the piece that is coming down by also pressing C. Let's see what happens. I mean, from what we see here, it looks like it can make the code, but you have to do it multiple times so it gets it right and it understands you. So I guess almost done basically. It already has the score. It has the 3D of the blocks. It has the color right. Error loading. See, now we have a problem here. There's an error while editing. Let's see what happens it does. Also, we're going by this. I actually like that we are able to do this. It's very nice, when doing code, it's able to do all this. As it makes mistakes like people do. It has to fix the mistakes, but it can also help people like jumpstart from their code. Like instead of taking time and doing it one by one, we could ask them to start up like a little template, and then you could fix it up. You can get rid of this stuff. Only rotating clockwise and the up arrow is pressed. See, that might have been my fault because I asked it to do it when it does that. We'll see what happens. And it's bugged. We'll fix that after. Okay, that's rotating now. Okay, that's also rotating. Okay, we gotta go back to the square, see if it rotates. All right, that's good too. Okay, that's good. Let's see if it does the make. Oh, boom, and we got our points. Okay, I just keep the website open. Oh, okay, it's very nice. Looks actually pretty nice. Okay, the problem is we still have the whole box is a little bugged out still. Okay, we're still good. Problem is the game is a little too kind of want I want it to fit the screen. So when I do that, see you're doing this stuff. Okay. See. Oh, for that though, it looks like there was a change that was made and it already did it. Oh, you can even see the bottom of the screen. There's like the little molten part right here. This is kind of nice. Back here, okay. It made it bigger, but then I fixed the thing. So we're gonna have to fix it again. Okay, we're back. Said it made a lot of changes. Basically probably getting rid of what it did. Let's check it out. We're gonna hit the refresh button here. See what happened. Oh my God, they ruined it. But we do have the next to hold. It does show the hold. Oh, I can literally see the volcano there too. Okay, but it's kind of weird that you're able to ask it to check out a link of something else, and it could basically almost copy the outline. On this point, it didn't do it, but it's kind of weird that you're able to do that. Basically, copy from other people. So we'll see what happens when it does this. Hopefully, it reverts back to the regular textures game, and we could add one more final touch and call it there. But we're using this AI windsurf for help. Well, at this point, we're actually asking multiple questions to make something. So we'll see what happens. Here, check this out. Hopefully, it fixed it. Moment of truth. Okay, good. We're back. Can't see the controls, but that's fine. Let's see if the game works. Okay, still good. All right, it's kind of perfect. Go hold box two. Okay, take that out. Okay, perfect. It works. Now we can see the next two. All right, now we make two final touches. But going back to that, it's crazy how AI is able to help you make something like this. Like, you just ask it multiple questions and it just keeps going, keeps reverting, keeps editing to create something like this. I also heard that this is also good for helping you more like it. So when you're doing code, it just helps you out. Like saying like, well, which like is it better to do this here or something like that. Maybe help your process go faster than it usually does. So we'll see what happens after this editing and check it out. Oh, and it shows the outline. Perfect. This is perfect. The block, it did change color though, which is a little disgusting, but that's fine. As long as it works. Okay. I'm not liking that we're not getting the same blocks. Okay. We gotta see if this red block's still there. I'm not seeing no red block is the problem now. It's not good. We're gonna ask what happens to the red block. Oh, there it is. So we're still good. Okay, so we have everything in the point system. We're gonna add the last final touch will be the retry button again, and then change the name of the texture game. And with this amount of time, it took us to create a texture game, just like that, which is beautiful. We also have the file here. You can see that it did all the editing. We created the game in 500 total lines in under like a couple minutes. I think it was like 30 minutes, I think, for me, but we'll see. It could have been 10, 15. I don't know how long this has been recording, but it's nice to see that we can also see everything that it does. The HTML file here, then the server. I mean, hopefully in the future they're able to help us more, get more smarter, and people are able to basically use it not like as a reliable source of doing everything for you, but to create a helping hand to make things go faster for you. Maybe even learn something new from it too, because they it looks like they have all the knowledge. Maybe you are able to do stuff faster than you were before, and with seeing it, you're able to recreate it. Here we go. Oh my God, it's the molten button. Oh, but the game's not even. It looks like the game's not even playing. All right, revert. Basically, already did its job. We're just gonna call it there. I was able to pause the game. If I just keep typing it, it will be able to fix it. If I revert it, it will fix it. It'll go back and forth. But as you see, AI helping Windsurf was able to create a game for us. that works on HTTP, use JS, and was basically able to create almost one-to-one. I probably could create one-to-one if I keep going, but we're gonna stop here.